Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and we're continuing to track potential storm impacts from our coastal storm that we've been tracking, still hovering over parts of the Carolina coastline, but we're expecting that to start to impact southern New England here by around Sunday afternoon. So by tomorrow, we'll be starting to see the effects, rain and wind. With that, a coastal flood advisory. This was upgraded from a watch to an advisory across the entirety of our coastline. We're expecting some minor water inundation up to a foot, leading to pockets of potential flooding issues down towards the South Shore. This will be kind of coinciding with the high tides during Monday, 1 a.m. overnight and then 1 p.m. in the afternoon. In addition, some updated wind advisories here. We do have a high wind warning offshore. This includes Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, with an advisory in place for parts of the Connecticut coastline as well as out towards Cape Cod. But overall, even here in our immediate area, we are expecting some high wind gusts on the immediate shoreline as well. In the meantime, though, still quiet for the rest of the evening here. We are seeing clear conditions, clear visibility, with mainly cloudy skies at this point. The cloud shield from the system starting to work its way further north ahead of the immediate impacts or direct impacts from this system, which is still located further to the south here, as I mentioned, off of the coast of the Carolinas right now, but it's going to continue to track further north in the next several hours. So with that, we are expecting that rain to arrive by Sunday afternoon, kind of between 11 o'clock and the noon time. When all is said and done, the system is going to kind of stall out throughout the day on Monday. We could see up to 3 inches of rain in some spots by Tuesday morning. We're looking at east-northeasterly wind gusts of up to 50 miles an hour, especially in the areas in the warning, so more down towards the coast and then especially offshore out towards Block Island and the Sounds, up to 50-plus mile-an-hour wind gusts. So wind damage certainly possible, especially in those areas. We're also tracking that coastal flooding potential and beach erosion as well. With that, let's take a look at more of the timing here. So as we continue on, dry start in the morning. So if you have any errands, things to do, maybe try to get those done earlier rather than later here. As we continue on throughout the afternoon, these rain bands are going to start to become more widespread, heavier rain mixing in at times. The heaviest of the rainfall and the strongest of the winds is expected overnight Sunday into Monday. As I mentioned, kind of during this time, the front or the low is going to become what we call quasi-stationary, so not moving very much throughout the day on Monday, although we will be seeing kind of more sporadic pockets of rain. Still a rainy day as the system lingers on. We could even see a downpour rumble of thunder with this later on in the day on Monday before things finally start to dry out as the system moves away by Tuesday morning. Even some lingering clouds still from the system, but the rain does lighten up at this point. In the meantime, for the rest of the night tonight, if you're out and about, overnight lows not as chilly, around 50 degrees, lots of clouds, but staying dry. And again, we'll be dry for the start of Sunday, so around mid to late morning we'll still be dry. So if you have any plans, try to get out maybe before 11 o'clock in the morning. Get those things done before those showers start to move in, especially towards the afternoon. And those winds are expected to pick up during the afternoon hours and then especially towards the evening and overnight Sunday into Monday, where we're expecting the highs to the wind gusts and that heavier rain to continue through as well. So of course we'll keep you guys updated. We have a lot to talk about in the next day or so. So I'll have those updates for you both on air and online at WPRI.com.